Ang kulit ni ko. Relive, relive. Hello, hello again. It's you again, Guhar. Guhari. My God. I'm going to sleep, okay? Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Thank you for joining. Sleep well. Thank you so likes. Oh, shh. Hi, 13 people. But the doctor said I should take some medicine to help me sleep more soundly. Okay, you need to take your medicine. Don't hurry. Thank you, 16 million in the house. are you doing, guys? The doctor said the dust is a kiss on the right cheek and the left. My God, are you sure? Alright, go. Wait lang. Wherever you go, I'm just kidding. Kidding. as alumni. Yan sa kalon. Thank you for the people in the house. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful. Why I'm beautiful. I know that. Have you greatly loved? Mark Douglas. That. So what is your eggs? It's 41. 41. engaged. Turn off the glass. I'm engaged. Oh my god. Oh my god. Philippines. Yes, it's 37. I'm from Philippines. You are so beautiful. Oh, thank you. That's good for you. Sad for me. You're so beautiful and everyday. You'll find another one, sir. Mark Douglas. A lot of Filipina, beautiful Filipina. Not only Filipina, but in other all over the world. Even you. Ito. Anak ko ang ano na, ginger ito. Dili naman lang. Sorry. Thank you, 34 people. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you. Always welcome, Bob. Oh, oh my. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you, 35 million in the house. Where is your fiance from? He's from America. He's living in America. He's living in America, Sir Mark Douglas. Thank you for watching. I'm in USA too, Florida. Wow, Florida. Nice to meet you, Sir Mark Douglas. He's from Pennsylvania. He's living in the Pennsylvania, Sir Mark Douglas. Hi, mommy. Hi, Charles. Hello, my son. It gets cold there. Yeah, it's cold there, but in Florida, maybe hot there now in Florida. He said the weather there in Florida is same like here in the Philippines. The weather, the like hot weather. Thank you for likes. Will you join him soon? Maybe he will come back here because he will come back here soon. Hot almost here around 90 today. Oh my god, so hot. So hot. Same here. But I have a pole and air conditioning, so it makes it much better. That's good. That's good for you. That's good for you, Sir Mark Douglas. Nice. Thank you for the likes. Trash. This is trash. Well, good night, Mom. Love you, text me when you're down in work and live stream. Oh my god, where are you from? Charles William. You are doing lots of laundry. Must be a few people in your home. Yeah, it's fine, normal here. I used to do this here. No worries. Thank you for joining. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right. I think what I think Filipino girls are the most beautiful in the world. Thank you, Sir Mark. Really? Wow. What's your asset to say that, Sir Mark Douglas? You know, it's so hot. Look, such a right. Yan sok. My God. Ew. Thank you, Sir Mark. Sir Mark, are you married, Sir Mark? Living in Florida? But hard to find one who is interested in a normal life. Lots of the girls want a life of party. Yeah, that's right. A lot of girls, that's why you need to be careful to find a woman in life, a partner in life, because nowadays it's really difficult to trust. You know what? Same as men, uh, are very rare to find a serious man. So same as women also. But some are good, still good people. So just need to know each other and be careful to find. How old are you, Sir Mark Douglas? Sir Mark, how old are you? Wait. How old are you, Sir Mark? But one day God will give. Yes. It takes time, Sir Mark. No, no. Why marriage? How old are you? Why not yet married? Why not yet married? I'm sure they are very good Filipino woman. Yes. I'm 46. Oh, well. Yeah, some are. Yes. A lot of, not too much, but having many Filipina are having a, sorry, my English is poor. I'm sorry about my English. So I'm not fluent in English. That's why I'm trying to replying you, Sir Mark. Hope you understand my English because my English is not it's not good. But Sir Mark, a lot of uh, not a lot, but having a good having a good Filipina. 10 years ago, my wife deceased 20 years ago in a car passed away. Your wife passed away. Your English is very good. It's fine. Thank you so much, Douglas. Cutie pie. Oh, wait, really, really. Thank you so much. I really appreciate and thank you for your understand my English because my English is not good. It's a poor. I'm poor and also my English is poor. So I'm really appreciate that you understand what I'm saying. That's why it's really difficult for me to explain most English people because my English is bad. That's why. But some of Filipino a very perfectionist about speaking English. That's why. That's perfectionist. Very perfectionist. Um, does your friends help you? He should. I would think. Help me for what? What do you mean, Sir Douglas? Mark. So Mark. Oh my god. Wow. I have money. Thank you, 57 people in the house. Thank you, guys. Bless you. I have money. Thank you. Money. Yeah, I have money. Help you with your little money. He support me a lot. He helped me a lot. No worries, Sir Mark. If you make a commitment to him, to marry him, then he should to do for you. You're not do for. Sir Mark, he look, he buy me a ring, and this is expensive, and watch the this spoiled me. Okay, very good. Yes, po. It's very good. So good. He support me a lot. Even I didn't ask him. Wow. Money to us if this if they think I need money, he will give me. I always saw the beautiful jewelry, very nice. Yes, boss. Thank you, Sir Mark. Are you looking for a wife, Sir Mark? Something. Someone's gonna love me. Thank you so much for watching. 57 million in the house. My God. Lots of people now. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi. I always. Hello, Antonia. But you can, Sir Mark, you can send me super chat if you want for my revenue. It's up to you. Oh my God. They look good on you. Thank you. Hi, Sir Danny Johns. You're the best lady from for me ever. Wow, thank you. Yes, yes, I am. But I hope for someone who will love truly, someone who is real. Ah, yes, but you will find it, Sir Mark. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi, Sir Antonio. Hi, Sir Danny. They look good on you. Hi, why no? 5223. Send what super chat. You can see the dollar sign in your the right one. Right. Yes, sir. Your fiancé might not like a man sending you gifts and trying to win your heart. No, not like that. He understands. He's supporting me a lot. He supports me whatever I do, but not for cheating. So of course, no cheating. He loyal and we loyal each other, so that's why healthy relationship is better. Super chat here on YouTube, it's good. That's why it it can help like support for the revenue, support for the YouTubers, something like that. You will end up with a fiance and a boyfriend. Lol, I'm joking. No, we're not. No, never ending. I see the helmet, so you have a. Yes, he bought me a scooter. He bought me a scooter. Where's the helmet? You see? Yes, loyalty is very important. The trust, yes. If the trust is, if the trust is, if no trust, relationship doesn't work. So that's why trust is very important in our relationship. So I don't want to break his trust because of of others. That's why. So it's okay if you don't sound. That's fine. Super chat. Hey, she's found a one wallet mark. She won't turn another one down. Yeah. Huh? I met a girl recently, so I sent her $100. So then immediately asked for, oh my god, what? Another five? Oh my god. She asked you $500? Oh my god. I'm in super chat here. You will see Sir Park. I will send you super chats here and ano, not in, oh my god. Something like this. So I sent a flyover this week, but she wanted me, so I stalk it. It's a red flag. That's a red flag. That's why I said, Sir Mark. That's why you see the number, that the goal, my goal. That's why. Why she asks too much? More than triple. My God, 100 then another $500. My God. I don't see an amount on your go. Any amount, even $1, something like that. You can see $1, two, $3, something. The go. I got. Hi. Thank you for watching. Hello. Babam. Bakit? You're so sweet. I love your expressions. I want to meet someone just like you. Are there any left like you? I don't know. No one like me. I'm only me. But I have a friend. But my friend is beautiful and good. That's why my friend's beautiful and she's hardworking. So she's beautiful. She's pretty. She's good. So if I someone recommends, so that's why I want to make sure that the man is good. Where is she? Mr. Pennsylvania already has you, yes. We're still together. Where is she? Far here in the far from here. Oh, Tita Stiwowa. Or from here. Wowa. Lagay mo lang dyan. Ilagay mo. Opo. Are you? Yes, I'm living here in the province. Living here in the province, Mark. See something. What should I say? Province. I live in province. Not in city. Not city. Not city. You should tell Mr. Principal want to live in music. It is a good place with a good life to offer. I think we live here. We live here. We talk about where we live. So the important is we live together. Wherever we live, the important is we live together. Yes, but thank you. How far away is your friend? How could I introduce myself to her? Maybe if you join my live again, I will invite her to join the live here. So that's why. Because she's so busy. She's working. She works a lot. Her time is so precious. Ah, okay. Okay, then don't bother her. She's busy. Maybe she likes busy more than finding a man. Because she's busy to work because she needs to work a lot for support herself and her family what time here? Time here 12:36. Oh my God. Have a nice day, Freddy. How many children do you have? How old is the little one I hear? I have one kid, he's 9 years old, and the little one, she's my niece. She's my niece. She always here. That's why you found a man, so you don't have to work as much. And a fun man, and a man finds a woman so he has a reason to work hard. Something like that. So that's why I told you needs a good man for her because I want to get hurt. Do you want to? No. Simon, behave. Robertson, hi Robertson. Someday someone's gonna love me. When you will be, when will you be married? Do you have a date? Yes, we're getting married October, this October, this year. I hope so. Gab! Pwede man tabi sin ano doon, sin bayan samhod. Ama imutong pa dit. Ha? Imutong pa dit sa koy. Gab, kudaman ko lang dyan na doon sa mga... Gab! Oh, very good. I'm very happy for you. Thank you, Sir Mark Douglas. Thank you. Tom, turn up. Turman. Ew. When I find the right girl who we both love each other, I'm getting married quickly if she will. No reason to wait if you truly love him. I just, mean, you know what? Because he needs to come back for the paperwork for the getting married. So not easy to process the paperwork. So that's why he needs to come back. He needs to come back and going back here. That's why. It's okay to wait if it's worth it. It's okay to wait if it's worth it. Gab, ano ba daw samhod, Gab? Ay, kay, napulo na ili? Ha? Napula ni inuli? Oo. Kay? Bugasol. Paguna ko inuli. I know about the paperwork. I've read about yes po. Gab! Padawa ko samhod. Butang, para mo. Yeah. Butang mo na bibigyan na dyan. Hello. Yes, if you have to wait and you are worth the wait, well then do it. Yes po, I will do that. You will soon to be Mrs. Pennsylvania. Yes. Thank you, Sir Mark. Thank you. I'm 41 years old and getting married now. It's very long wait, very long to wait. Very long to getting married, so that's it. It's good. It's so nice. It's nice. That is good. You will be very happy. I know. Yes po. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you, Sir Mark. Hope you will find the right one for you, Sir Mark. And you will be happy too. Like us. Like me and my fiance. Truth is supreme. Yeah. Yes, I'm sure I will. I have faith this will happen. Yes po. It will happen po. What's up, maybe? Thank you for joining, guys. Parehas tayong malandi. Malagkit. Malagkit. Para sa... Oh, he is calling. He says, stop talking to me. No, someone calling. My room is having another room, so My mother having a phone, my brother's wife, so not mine. That's not. And if someone calling, it's not calling me. No. Oh my god. Hi, Sir Ben. Hello there, Cheryl. Thank you for coming, Sir Ben. So, so hot. I heard the phone, so I thought, oh no, maybe another phone. Hi, where? What do you mean where? Thank you, Sir Ben. I took too much. It's fine. It's fine, Sir Mark. She's a day of 3 days. That's how it goes. Thank you, Sir Dan. I'm going to go. It's almost 1 a.m. here. I'll be back tomorrow. Are you online? Yeah, I'm always online. So my job is I'm a YouTuber, so I'm always here on my YouTube. I'm always here on my YouTube, so that's why. Thank you for your time, Sir Mark. Thank you for joining me. I will donate soon. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Mark. God bless. Have a nice day. I sleep well. Oh, what time is there? Night there. Can't you see it, baby? You should always ask for more than $1. If they have $1, they have five. Okay. No need to ask. Just Uh, if someone willing, it's no amount, just any amount. No need to ask because not all. Um, because even a little is really appreciated. You can ask me anytime. Okay, you can send Sir Mar. You can send me now super chat. So anytime, any amount, anytime. Thank you, Sir Mark. Gulay. I miss your room. Missy. So missy. Oh my god. No time to kwan. Aray ko. Oh shit. Tomorrow I promise. Can I just use a Visa card to send super chat? Visa? Super chat is just online, Sir Mark. Super chat online here. I don't know. Why Visa? Visa card. Super chat is just online here. Oh my god. No need to credit card. No need to send. Sir Mark, oh my god, it's so complicated. Just enjoy life. Good night, Sir Mark. Thank you, Sir Mark. What does it use to transfer the money? I don't know. If I reach the revenue $100, I will. It will transfer it to my bank account, via bank account. After, if I get a $100 more, so I can withdraw it. So my revenue is maybe 20, something like that. So I need to reach the goal. I need to reach more than $100 to withdraw. So I can so I can I will having a revenue here. So that's why super chat, it helps to reach the revenue. I understand, but it's PayPal or bank card or PayPal. The PayPal, I will transfer it to Gcash. How long does it take to reach 100? Uh, if someone send me here the super chat, it depends. Super chat, it will, so a lot of people give a super chat like 100. I will reach the 100. I know, something like that. That's why super chat, it helps for YouTubers to reach 100. Do you make 100? No, I can't 100 every day. I hope I can make 100 every day, my God. But I can't. It's really difficult to, or no, every week, not every week. Before, I reach a good super chat before, but now maybe because uh, they don't like me na no more. But it's fine. I having a kwan. Right? Ha? Kada ako shampoo yun. You know. Oo, dyan po yun. Dyan po yun. Maramok. Not every week. Not every week. But before, someone sent me 101 people. Oh my God. I reached fast revenue. Oh no. Well, you are wonderful and you should make more. I try. I try to make more because they want you single. But it's fine. If the no need to send because my fiance supports me well, so it's fine. I'm just here, just support my family because he supports me and my kid, my son. So I sup and before he meet me, I support my family. Uh, so something like that. It supports me a lot. No need to be single. He is a good man to do that, yes. Super good. He's a good man. He's a good man. Very supportive. I love how you look so sincere and real kindness in your eyes. My eyes. Sir Mark, thank you Sir Mark. I appreciate your what you call this? Like uh, something like that. Wait. Do you have a kid, Sir Mark? Do you have kids? You're beautiful on the outside and the inside. Huh? God bless you. Thank you, Emmett Chan. Thank you, Emmett. What? Oh my God. Thank you, Emmett Chan. Emmett Chan. Thank you. Thank you so much. I have a son. He is 20 and live in another state. I'm basically alone for family, but I have friends and I have my company. Okay. Okay po. What company you have, Mike? Do you have a company? What company do you have, Mike? Sir Mike? I have a biomedical engineering company in Florida. Wow, that's great. Biological. Biomedical. Oh my God, biomedical. Are you a doctor, Sir Mark? Biomedical. Thank you, Sir Ben. God bless you, Mark, and I wish you find peace. Why peace? Why you need to find a peace? You're welcome. Thank you. Do you think Mark have no peace? One. Aray po. Oh, shit. Aray ko, aday. Oh my God. Shit. If you guys have third printer, is that a Mark Forge? What? Thank you, me. Imichan. Superior Incorporation. Superior? Superior. Is that a Forge? I see you guys have a third printer. Third printer. Superior. So much for thank you so much for Kwan for likes. This one. Open mode. Thank you so much. We are on an advanced stage of creating medical equipment through 3D technology. 3D technology, wow. You believe in God, Cheryl? Of course. Why? Why you say that, Emma Chan? If I believe in God, of course I believe in God. But there is more the company than 3D. I'm a Christian, Emma Chan. Oh my God, how I remove this? Um, but there is more to the company than 3D. Yeah, I see it. Pretty amazing from you guys are doing great. Doing great. Doing great. Thank you for watching, everyone. What happened to my screen? Why? What happened? I don't know. It's black. It's black. Oh, what happened? I don't know why. It's back. It's back. What's back? What do you mean? Thank you, MHN from Mark. Oh my God. God. Alright, you nice people, it was a pleasure to be here. Thanks everyone, have a great day. Thank you, MHM, for joining. Have a nice day to you. God bless. Have a great day. Oh, July. So glad I met you, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Mark. Thank you for joining this live. God bless you. Have a nice day. You are the nicest people I met from the Philippines. Huh? Lots of nice people here. And I'm not too nice. I have a bad side. So something like that. Hi German Deloya. You're the best. Wow, the best. Way the best. I'm not the best because I'm a sinner. Sinner. I'm a sinner. I have many mistakes in my life. Something like that. I have many mistakes and what do you call it? Aray ko, my leg is hurt because when I ran yesterday, that's why it hurts. That is what happened in life. Don't show it to me. Yes, I hope. Because I'm good, but not all the time. So, not something like not all, I'm good, but not all the time. I'm always watching my life. I'm not good all the time either. Ano yun? Nice. I can get a temper and I can be selfish and I don't always pray. Me, I'm always pray. That's my habit. I always pray. My habit is pray. I'm not always going to the church every Sunday, but my habit is always praying. That's my habit. Then you will pray for me. What is your name? Mark Douglas, your real name. Your real name is Mike Douglas. But I always go to church every Sunday. Me, I'm not always going to church every Sunday. Not always. by myself and wonder if God knows me. Of course, you know what? Always, God always knows the best for us. Sometimes it waits for the perfect time. Trust the process. My wife and my wife had a very bad car accident in 2014. She crashed and her car ran out the road and went under the. Oh my God! Sorry for what happened to your wife, Sir Mark. Oh my God!
No one came about it. Just audio sync magic. Content creation just leveled up. Upload, type, share. Avatar 4 is live. Go.
That's why having a when you're losing your wife, not yet try to date someone there in the US. You never tried dating someone there after your wife car accident. She never lived to see us make so much money and be so successful. She never lived to see us make so much money and be successful. What do you mean, Sir Mark? What do you mean? You mean she never experienced successful life when she's still alive? Something like that. So I am young, at 46 and healthy and very strong and capable. I have a good life to share with someone. So pray I will meet the right one. You will find the right one, Sir Mark. Maybe that's at the right time you will find someone. Yes. You will find the me, look at me, I'm happy. I find the good man in my life. So if you find right for you, the happiness is priceless, you know. Something like that. I'm nowhere, I mean that my company became more successful after she died. Oh wow, that's great. She's don't live to experience that. Okay. I'm not worried about it. I haven't been looking for 10 years, but now I'm ready. I decided it was time 2 months ago. Okay. I will pray for you, Sir Mark. Hope you will find a good Filipina. Be careful. Not only Filipina, okay? A lot of people here around the world. I know, wala ako. Barya? Oo. Wala ay, please. Ay, Kuya Gab. Kuya Gab! Ah, yes. I know, not only here in the Philippines having a good woman for you. I think just explore yourself and you will find the right one for you. So maybe it takes the backhand of the woman. No more baggage. I have time, yes.
What if you could bring your own message and Hollywood blockbuster movies to life with you as the main character?
I'm thankful at the age of 41, Sir Mark. I find the right person for me. So, it's a very long journey to honor, but it's worth it. Yeah, soulmate, yes, soulmate.
Start creating without limits.
Install supplies. How long after you met Mr. Pennsylvania did you know he was your soulmate? At that time, we're both there's too much noise here. Hope you hear me. Hope you hear me, Sir Mark. We meet at the same time. We both broke at the same time. When same situation, I will feel broken-hearted because that time a long distance. We tried because before the last year I met here on my channel, and he said to me and promised to me, so talked to me here that he wants to marry me, something like that, and something. I thought he said he really serious about me. He likes me. He said I'm beautiful, something. And having a plan, then suddenly, and then he changed her mind, and then he broke me last year. Then I met my Pennsylvanian fiance at the same time. So January this year, 14, we just 2 weeks to talk, we're getting to know each other. At that time, we both say me. He don't trust issues because I'm Filipina and the same. We both, my long distance relationship before is American, and same him has a long distance relationship before he's on a Filipina. A different story, but same situation. We broken that time, and then having a friends that we need to know each other. But that time he pushing me to getting to know each other because he think we match each other, something like that, and that's it. And I feel he's the right man for me, and we're the same feeling that time. So that's it. And then we decided to talk, and then happy talking, then plan, and then suddenly he planned to going here, and he came back to US, and then planning to come back again. So I hope it will happen. So I'm hoping, but but because we didn't control the situation. Beautiful love story. Uh, thank you. Yes. Thank you, Sir Mark. Oh my God, thank you for joining here. You deserve a good man and a good life because you are truly amazing. Uh, I hope. Thank you. I think for me, I'm not expecting too much. I just want the what do you call this, loyal man, and having a sense of humor, something like that. I want. I don't like sharing, so if what's mine is mine, something like that. If it's me, it's me. If he likes someone else, he needs to give up to me because I don't like playing. I don't like playing relationship. I know games. Playing games, I don't like that. You have nice travel bags behind you, so you have your passport. You've been to USA. Not yet passport. Still processing. Still looking, and then I'll be planning going to there. So that's why. Okay sa ako may din. Ay, ito ka kambing mula na no, scooter. 375. Uh, I agree, never share. One man and one woman, yes. For me, that's it. If I know he's interested to another, if I know if I have a feeling interested another woman or another person, I need to distance myself to respect. To respect. So that's why. How tall are you? 4'11". 5 flat. I'm small and teeny tiny. Too small. Hi, Mr. Mouth. I'm 6 feet tall. Oh wow. So tall. I'm too small, teeny tiny. Wait lang. Are you see you run so you're getting smaller? Why? It's getting smaller run. Yes, I run because exercise. I do Zumba also. I do Zumba. You know Zumba dance because my habits now like that. Wait, Sir Mark. Sorry. Sorry. She look long. She looks long to me. But you do have a very nice butt to keep running. Oh my God! Look! Oh my God! I'm so cute. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I look young. I look teenager. Oh my God! So you know are the definition of hottest girl in the Philippines. Really? Oh my God! Hi, beautiful Marina. Good evening. Wow. Hi. Thank you. Maraming sugo. Ano to? Thank you. You win. Oh, really, I win. I win. Wow, sana ha. Wow, you're amazing. Thank you. ang ano mama, yung gamit ni mama sa siya. Ang sunset. Sa siya rada, ginamit ni mama. Wait. You went to the hot girl contest, so beautiful, just absolutely gorgeous. So Mark. Mr. Pennsylvania should never take his eyes off you. He should be lost in your beauty every night of his life. Huh? What? What do you mean? What? My God. Thank you, Mark. Fuck man, what's your favorite perfume? My favorite perfume? Baby cologne. You know, just can't stop looking at you. We call the loss in your beauty, huh? My God. Oh my July. Gabriel? Gab? Kaman tabi ng dustpan. Gab? Not yet not yet ate lunch. My God, I'm hungry na. I'm hungry. Godness. Wait lang. I need to wait. You know, what? Hi, Marco. Is my hand shaking? I'm shaking. Sana magkono. So, nana ka naghugas ka? So you're still thinking. Thank you guys. How are you? Look. Need to eat. Need to eat. Come on, let's eat. Aray ko. Oh my God. What the heck? Will you soon consider him his dad? Huh? Will you and Mr. Pennsylvania want to have a child together? Yes. Will you soon consider him his dad? Yes. Yes, po, Sir Mark. That's right. Very nice. Yes, po. Thank you, Sir Mark. A very nice family. Yes. Nice and happy family. Come on, let's Sir Mark. Let's see it. I just ate for lunch just now. That's why my stomach it hurts. Come on, guys. Come on. I want a family and children to take every my company dime one day. Dime one company one day, something like that. You will find, Sir Mark. Thank you, it's people in the house. You asked me if I'm a doctor. I got 2 degrees. Okay. You have a 2 degrees, my medical doctor, my degree, and my medical what? my medical my medical doctor degree and my medical engineering degree. Okay. Medical doctor degree and medical engineering degree. However, I not practice being a doctor. Okay. I focus on my biomedical engineering, but being a doctor helps me understand it better. That's good po. Sir Mark, wow. Your woman so lucky to having you. Hope you find her. Yes, but it's hard to find a woman who is genuine and its husband. I think, yeah, it's really fun, but that's why if you're looking the woman, you need to you need to know him well. You need to know her well, and that's what I mean. A woman should want money, but want the man more, so she gets both. Mm. A woman should want money, but want the man more. She gets both. Sir Mark, woman like money because they like shopping. They love shopping. You know that? That's why maybe they like money. But being a greedy is too much. Not good. Gab! Gabriel! Gaano ka? Baka liman ako didising ko ang tabi. Baka liman ako ko mismo. Okay. But he had to truly love me, yes. That's why I told you that, that's why I tell you that you need to find the good woman. Ay, nakaraot na yan.
Dua ba, ma?
Ikaw.
Dua.
I'm pretty like you and smart like you. Pretty like me and smart like me. I'm not smart. I'm just fair. Maybe. Where can you help introduce me to someone who is genuine? Here. She's my cousin. She's so busy, she's hardworking. Because you are very intelligent, I can tell. I'm not very intelligent, my God. I'm not smart. I'm not like that. Oh my gulay. Your bolero.
Okay. Pinipalay
Ako
ko.
na. Uy. Hindi po man talaga. Cha. What is your cousin name, Cha? She's living in another country. She's an educated woman, hardworking. We grew up together, classmates since elementary. Uh, Her life is good because my life here in province is very poor. Not not just poor, but too much poor. When I'm a kids, I'm before going to school, we need to work for foods before. But my cousin, her life is good. But her parents raised her a good person, a good woman. She's genuine. She's so kind. Huh? But thanks or what? Tell her I can fly to the Philippines anytime and I can come at least every month or 6 weeks. What? How you do that? Expensive one. Plane ticket. But things are better now that you give Mr. Pennsylvania, yes. But things are better now that yes. Things better now. My Pennsylvanian fiance. So that's why it helped me a lot. Not like before I met him, my life not too difficult than when I'm young because I know how to wait. I know how to earn money. Not like when I'm kids. I just earn money just a little for food. I own my own plane. Huh? Really? My God. Hmm? Your words is getting my nerve. You have your own plane? My gulay. Are you sure? My company own it. Um, you know what? You're rich people, Sir Mark. You have a company. You have a plane. So why you here? A lot of beautiful women in the world, like same class as you, same rich as you. So I don't understand. I don't understand you, Sir Mark. so that makes it mine. Hmm? Are you sure with that? Oh my god, your words are unbelievable. A lot of no woman is as beautiful as a Philippines woman and they treat men the best. Not all women like that. What you think, Sir Mark? Not all women, not all Filipina woman treat a man like that. Not all, because even a man give everything. The some Filipina greedy, they cheat. A lot of story about that, having a foreigner, having a Filipina, not good experience. And I don't want a little rich white girl. Huh? Maybe Filipina, little rich Filipina. Maybe a lot of Filipina have a good life, so maybe you will find like that. Well, I want a good one. I will not stay with a cheating woman who is not good. Yes. Yeah, that's why nowadays it's really difficult to find a, a partner because for cheating now is like normal. That's I don't like that. Even they are already married, they having an affair with another. Yeah. Robert's son. Hi. I started for growing up on a farm in tennis. I want a woman who knows that what it means to not have much, so she appreciates having a lot. Mm. Does that make sense? Yeah. I can't believe on my comment, someone here on my live have a rich people. Oh my god. But for me, my fiance is rich of love, super duper tons of love. You know what, Sir Mark? Me and my fiance is rich of love, super duper million trillion tons of love, something like. I don't want someone who thinks I owe them something. I want true partner who will spend much time by my side. Yeah, that's right. You're right, Sir Mark. I know you are. Super duper tons of love. If I, you know what, if I earn money, I want give him a gift uh, on my own money. That's why, because if I give him a gift from his money and unappreciated for her, that's why. So that's why I hope I can something, because that's my that's my idea. Your friend say, and he had some money. That's a big ring. Yes, I yes. Yes, he have money. He have a comfortable life, but that's why we have a rich, because super duper tons, the love, rich of love. Mr. Mount, thank you, Mr. Mount. Sir Mark, my people. Mr. Mount, attain my, that's my PayPal. But she once I'm married, what I have will be hers too. So it has to be right. Oh, that's good. That's nice po, Sir Mark. What food is that? Togi. Togi. Filipino food. Mr. Mount is a nice guy who encourages people to give. Yes pa. That's very supportive person, Sir Mark. Mr. Mark. Mr. Mount is very supportive. Not only me, also another channel. Very nice, Mr. Mount. Hello, Mr. Mount from Mark. Look, my headband. I forgot I bought this. When I bought this, months ago or last year. So I just found this. My God. Cheryl, did you see me on other channels? Yes, I see you on other channel. And you're so nice. You're supportive on other channel. Not only me. Okay, thanks, Mo. Always welcome. Thank you so much, Mr. Mount. You're a very nice person. Supportive. Very supportive. Thanks, Mark. Thank you, Mr. Mount. What did you fix for lunch? um, little piece of fish, dried fried fish, and then vegetable. The vegetable having carrots, cabbage, togi, something like that. What do you want to get your fiance? Her last name. I'm feeling burnout. Why? Lol. Yes. And then her jeans. Something like. Do you get scared? Yes, scared. Yes, yes, boss. Why? Because I commit myself for him already. That's why the promise, something like that. So that's why. Oh my god. Um, I have been moderating for 2 years straight now. I want to take a break. Ah, okay, that's why. That's maybe you need to maybe you need to make your own content, Mr. Mouth. That's why when I'm going to your channel, then we pay the effort you give us so that you're still alive. Yes, I'm still alive. Higby, you should take a break, right? Find trustworthy person to take your place. Yeah. Take your time, Miss Amount. Time.
Tita, nagbukas ako kahapon.
So, nano ko na. Sabi mo na yung kanina sa ako. Does anything ever heard that mashes should out, it will happen? Mashes? What? I'm 21. I want to go other places. Bored moderating here. Yes, that's why. Enjoy your life, Mr. Mouth. No need to stress yourself. Supporting others, no need. If there's anything, enjoy your life, Mr. Mouth. Yeah. Then anything ever happened that makes you think you won't get married in October? Uh, I want to be what? How I wish it will happen because oh my god. I will be I will be sad too much. Heavy. Heavy mixed emotions if it won't happen. How much for the roster? Why? Wow, your girl is beautiful. Brunei. Beautiful Brunei. I got zero paid from YouTube for moderating. Even after, yes, that's why. If you have your own, if you have your own content, you will get paid by revenue from YouTube. You need to focus yourself. It's okay for me. That's why you are very good. You need to make your own content. Then you need to monetize your channel, and with your effort, us here to pays back to you. No idea, bro. Just saying. Another stream, yes. Mr. Mouth, where they're supposed to pay you. What? Yes. What should I do if I'm not doing a stream? I cry. I'm sorry. This should be you. Sorry, Mr. Mouth. I'm not enough money to pay you. My God. If I earn a lot here after the live, I I practice scooter. I didn't ask you to pay me, lol. Yeah, I know. Mark said we need to pay you. My God. Maybe you didn't. Mark, you don't know here on YouTube. My gulay. Anyone can pay me mouth. I won't refuse, lol. I'm here in the Philippines. I'm living here in the Philippines, Joshua Rigunan. Oh my gulay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. If YouTube pay me $1 for each channel, I can earn more than $200 per month. Wow. I can pay $100 every month. Mr. Mouth. Nicole Francis, hi. Where are you? I'm from Philippines. Never ask for $1, always ask for $5. Always ask for Bicol Province, Philippines. It's all jokes. Don't take anything seriously. I know. Thank you, Mr. Mouth. If you get 5, might as well ask for 10. Lul, yes. And then something like that. You are very countryman. Mm. Sorry. Thank you for 5 people. YouTube must pay, not streamers. If it all falls apart in October, I will be here. Huh? Sir Mark? Falls, if it all falls apart. Falls apart. The wedding. The wedding. The wedding. Oh my God. The wedding. Yeah, the wedding is in October. Everyone's invited. I hope it will happen. My God. Really, you coming? Really, Sir Mark, you will come? It's not going to fall apart. Um, Thank you for joining. Kiss Brazil. Yes, I want to come seriously. Really? Are you sure? Oh my God! Wow. Sir Mike, you can bring the gift. Chocolate from America. Yes, and meet your cousin. Really? My God. Wow. Yes, you need to meet my cousin. I will mail you chocolate FedEx perishable. Wow, really? Wow, Sir Mark. But maybe the chocolate come here is mush smash. Yes, of course. Oh, why wouldn't I? Oh, wow. Wow, Sir Mark. FedEx perishable will send it. Oh, really? Wow, that's great. Oh my God. Maybe expensive. Something like that. Very expensive. But if it will happen, so much thank you, Sir Mark. If it happened, thank you so much. I will check with FedEx tomorrow since it's 2:37 a.m. here right now. Okay po. Okay, Sir Mark. Both milk and chocolate. Both plain and milk chocolate. I like them both. Yes. Dark chocolate, something like that. Up.
Madaman ako tira sa daan. Sa lamin.
Aray ko. Dark chocolate. Sorry. have dark chocolate that is different, huh? We have dark chocolate, chocolate that is different percentages of cocoa. So 25% would be a little dark, and 80% real strong cocoa. Which would you like best? Weak or strong cocoa? Weak. Weak. Weak po.
Ayaw mo ko na niya, hadyo.
Tapos ka. Sabi kayo mo. Kayo mo rin sabi.
Everyone will want your chocolate. Everyone will, okay. Wow.
Magalman.
Yun, ay! Yun, siyaw, nagigyan para sa bakulan. Hindi na yun.
Now I know how to get a Filipino woman who knows tell her I have chocolate. Huh? I tell my cousin. Okay, I will tell my cousin. He has chocolate now.
Palubar. Grasa yun, ha? Una sa baba.
It's okay, don't be sad. Why I'm sad? Why I'm sad? Oh my god. How's your day going? Hi, Sylvia. Going fine. Going good. When does Mr. Pennsylvania come back to do the paperwork? Yeah. When the paperwork's done, he will come back here. Uh, it's 12:45 a.m. here. I'm going to be getting ready for bed soon. Sir Fred. How old is your cousin? Same my age. 41. She's getting 41, turning 41 this September. Turning 41 this September. One children, one kid. Okay, thank you, Sir Mark. I have a company here, so I have to be here. But I will move. Her family here too also. Really? Thank you, Sir Mark. Your words is very kind. So thank you so much for good intentions. And we can fly back often if she needs to, once every 2. What? Oh my god, very luxury lifestyle. Are you also bashing KK? I'm not bashing. I'm not bashing. I know you serve red light. Don't pretend. I'm not bashing here. You know what? I'm just replying the comment. Different bashing, okay? The different bashing. You want and my live is not for her. So I don't mind. Don't make me trouble. Different bashing than replying what they say, what she says as her friends. Different. The bashing is someone pointing people, the person that telling the bad and the lies, something like that. She is very sweet. Don't ever be mean to share. Yeah. Yes, thank you, Sir Mark. Oh my God, I'm not bashing. I'm just on my friend channel. I put them the comment there. I commented them because this says she says the bard's words of Sir Fred's friends. So that's why Sir Fred's is one of my friends. So she pointing Sir Fred's bad words, and she said Sir Fred's friend supported something blah blah blah. Then I replied. So of course I defend myself, not only for myself, but not only for Sir Fred, but also myself, because I'm his friend. So I'm not like that. She said Sir Fred's uh, Sir Fred friends are drunkard, drug addicts, scammers, something like. Oh my God, oh my gulay. I'm not bashing. I just replying her statement that's not true. She bash. So that's the different. Oh my God. I'm not. I'm just not. She said that's the bad word. So I replying them the statement. That's not that true. I trust you completely. Thank you, Sir Mark. Oh my God. We're not like that. Maybe drink, but not drunkard. That's why here I told you, Sir Mark, that's the difference is scamming someone. This scamming someone is something asking you money, something like that. But here I told you here, if you're willing to send a super chat is fine. So that's why at the different is scamming people. Oh my gulay. I saw her name. I saw this channel, this name that before my friend's channel. So she said, you know what, Sir Mark said, my English is poor. So I'm not an English woman. So I'm Filipino. So that's why I'm very honest. I'm not fluent in English. I lots of Filipina good speak in English. The beautiful Filipina, you will protect me. You will protect me. Yeah, for this conference. Because a lot of, you know what, Sir Fred, even the Filipina, not only in the Filipina, they speak English well, but they are scammers. I told you this. Oh my God, this will really happen here. So, I don't mind if you speak English well. The important for me is your personality. That's not about the pocket in the money in your pocket. That's why what I'm one. You're doing very good. I like exactly. Oh, thank you so much. They want trouble. So, sorry. Sorry. I'm not entertaining here on not user mark. I'm not entertaining here people spreading the no. I don't like toxic people. No need to. You're not welcome here. If you want a trouble, if you want fighting wars, not here. I don't allow people he's spreading heats here. So sorry about that. I don't mind if I don't need a lots of tons of friends if you are free. Don't let him bother you or upset you. Yes, that's why. I just want peace of mind and healthy lifestyle. You have a good heart and you're kind. Thank you, Sir Mark Douglas. Maybe I need to recognize you as a friend, Sir Mark. That's why. No need to support a lot. That's why I need to put the moderator as a moderator that I recognize that you are the trusted one. If you're not blue, you're just a stranger. If you are a blue, that's why the person I trust, the person I know. So that's why I put it on the blue. You need to do what? I didn't understand. Something like this. You're blue now because if you're blue, I recognize you. You are the one of the friends list. If not blue, you're just a stranger. Something like that. Okay, yes. Thank you, I am honored. Thank you, Sir Mark Douglas. This Filipina telling that I am not good in English, and I accept that I'm not good in English. As she feel ashamed that I'm not. A lot of Filipina speak well in English. That's I'm not competing. The Filipina, the other same Filipina that they are speak English so well. I'm not because I'm not like that. I'm not speaking so well. If for me as myself, if I'm doing if you're doing not good to me, what should I do? So of course I defend myself. Then I'm not you saying the bad words. We're not like that. I defend myself not only for myself, not only for my friends, because I know my friends is good. So, and I know myself, I'm not doing bad to you. So, why you should tell that the lies? I don't like that. You're good at English. I understand perfectly. Thank you. Na ano ba? Doon na may naglalay baga ako. My God. Maybe she thinks she speaks English so well. She's good and she's right. So it's up to you. If you're better than me, if she's gooder than me, it's just fine. My point is, don't spread the misinformation, telling people, or you're telling the statement that's not true. That's what I think. That's what I said. Because if your English is fine, if you speak English so well, but your doing is not good, so of course, how should I proud of you? Susie said, don't waste your time to if not sense. Don't waste your time here if I'm not sense. If not sense here. If I'm boring, why you come here if don't boring, if you're bored here, you need to come, you need to scroll down. So if it's boring here, because that's why even if she will say that if you really like me, if you like what I'm doing, like I really appreciate, same as me, but same. But seem like if you're doing bad to me, of course I'm not like that. You're doing bad to me and I will be happy. I will clap your hands if you're doing bad to me and saying bad that's not true, and then I will clap your hands. So of course not. I will be your friend or you're not boring. Sir Mark, I'm a boring person because I'm always want to be alone. I'm a boring, real. Yes, I accept that I'm boring one. So that's fine. I really appreciate the people who likes me, who I am. So I'm not pleasing anyone to like me, something like that. Yes, because I'm bored. Yes, it's true. I'm boring. Oh my God. Sometimes moody. I'm moody, boring. Sometimes I'm not good. Yes, I'm not good. You're perfect to me. I mean this. I'm saying the truth. Well, Sir Mark, wow, your words is quite beautiful. Positive. You are good. Thank you, Sir Mark. I met you for a reason, I'm sure of it. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Doug. Thank you, Mr. Mark. I thank you, Sir Mark. You know what? After this, after the comment, my friend messaged me and she's going live and she's talking and about me now, and then for my friends taking a negative for me, but I don't care. I don't care what she said. She's opinion, but me, I will stand myself that his words is not about me and what she said. That's what I think, and my life is not for her. Someone coming here, someone coming here on my live, and then you said something said about her, so you're not welcome here. Maybe you were doing live, your live is talking about me, that's fine. Maybe maybe her fans entertain negative, saying negative about me, but me, if you're better than me, if you are good looking than me, anything, you are better than me, your English is speak so well than me, it is up to you. That is you, that's you, it's you. But me, I know myself, I'm not doing bad to you, I'm just replying, and I'm not bashing you, I'm just saying that your statement talking about my friends is not true, and that's why I will stand myself that I'm not like that. That's what I said. I'm just replying her statement, then that's a lie. So if she think and she said she's better than me, and she said my speak English is not good, it's fine, it's you, Cheryl, that was great. Uh, well, if it's good or for Kiki, I don't mind, because I'm not saying bad here on my live. My live is for my real friends here on YouTube. I'm not saying anything about her. So why she come here and saying that to me? That I'm saying that I am bashing someone. I'm not bashing someone. Sir Mike, you know, you hear, I'm not bashing someone. So don't soon. Why should I bash someone? My God, just to say. So she's streaming now, talking about me because my life is not for others. My life is my channel is not like for that. I'm not bashing anyone yet. I'm commented there's someone channel that was stand that we're not like that. That's all. Remember he said he was going to start trouble. Okay, that is fine. People know me. I know maybe if ever he is spread the lies, but God knows what the real happened. Because I know Greg know me. I'm not like that. She had bad, only said good and positive things all day. I've been here for a few hours. Yes, that's why. My life is not for bashing. My life is not for her. My God, I know she's better speaking English. I'm not. Clap your hands. So I'm not. It's just yes, she's better speaking English. I will, but I'm not using. But if I speak my English is not speaking one time because I'm not speak English so well. Why should I shame if I'm not in English so well? Because I'm a Filipina. I'm a Filipina. So of course I speak English here because you're a foreigner and you need to understand. As long as you understand what I'm saying, as be an honored because you understand what I'm saying. Cheryl is too good-hearted. Thank you, Sir Fred. Mark, I know Cheryl a long time. She never says anything bad. Yes, I'm not saying anything bad. I'm just replying. I'm not bashing anyone. I'm just replying. Why should I am bashing and attacking? That I'm just replying the statement of negative. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't worry, I'll be here. Thank you, Sir Mark. Cheryl, we still love you. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you so much. I know myself, and God knows what I'm doing. If they can drag me down, God knows what's the best for us. My channel has never changed ever since when I started. Never. You can try me. And then lots of people at the age of 41, lots of people trying to drag me down and makes me bad and makes me bad and makes me mad. I don't love you yet, but soon. But soon. Shoot at my best. Thank you. I don't know what's we're not a perfect we're this living in the real world. We're not perfect. So that's why a very long time I having some people experience friends negative happen to me, and that's why I'm just ignored. And I keep distance myself. So for now, I don't allow anyone. Yeah, because at my young age, if anyone bully me, I'm just crying. Oh my God. But what? Then now, what should I cry? Just manipulate the situation. That's you're doing something not good. And then what should I do? What should I think? It's okay. That's not okay. I'm not tolerating that like that. Be jealous. No need to feel jealous because I'm not beautiful. I'm not sexy like her. I'm not beautiful like her. I'm not smart like her. I'm not speak well than her. She's ano. She's feel blessed that she have a smart mind. She need to feel blessed. That's why I'm just speak up because I'm not like that. I'm not. Yes, and you will be happy forever now. Yes. Thank you, Sir Mark. Oh my God, my live here. Since I start my live here, we're talking. Sir Mark talking at the first. Because this is a relive. We're talking. Sir Mark join. Ano ba dito? From the start, from the beginning and until the end, are talking here good, and then suddenly someone commenting that's happened. Oh my God, we're not talking here about bashing, something like that. So don't. I'm not. Hello to the beautiful woman, this beautiful woman and smart woman. My channel. I'm not bashing you here. I'm at another channel. I'm replying the statement, the different bashing. You're crazy. She has smart brain. My wife is the most beautiful. I know. Yeah, because she knows. She said, "Oh my God," she said. She felt ashamed that I'm not speak English well. Sorry for you for not for sorry for you. The real talk. Not all educated, not all graduated in 4-year course speak English so well. So I'm not graduated in college. And I'm appreciated that people here I can communicate, speak English here, so they will understand. And I'm very honored to really appreciate that they understand me. Tell us about your family. Your English is good. What you want to know, you sir? I don't have a wife, so I choose Cheryl to be my most beautiful just friends. Hi, Sir Mark. Thank you, Sir Mark. Where? My God. Thank you, Sir Mark, for for being friend. Thank you for the friendship. Good friendship. Thank you so much. Mark, she has a guy in Illinois that's single. Not Illinois, Chicago. Living in Chicago forever. I'm in Florida. Sir Fred, she's living in Chicago. Chicago is closer than Philippines. Huh? Why? Lol. Chicago closer than Philippines. Sure, Chicago is a city, Illinois is a state. Yeah. Yeah, she's living in Chicago, my cousin. So she is in Illinois. No, Chicago. She is in Chicago. Oh, what Illinois? I don't. Illinois is in United States. But I'm coming to the wedding. Yeah, thank you, Sir Mark, for coming in the wedding. Mark living in the USA. Thank you, Sir Mark. Don't forget to bring the gift. If she is on Chicago, she's been Americanized and ruined. Oh, really? Why? Sheryl, Chicago is a city in Illinois. Ah, okay. Now I know. Sorry, I don't know, Sir Fred. Oh my God. Now I know. She's in Illinois, Chicago. Okay. Illinois. I know that's why I explained. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Ito, pinahakot na.
Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. When you go into practice scooter, after live, what time here now? After the live, I'm doing practice scooter. Maybe 4 p.m. I'm not doing live streaming today. Okay. Okay. Because your wifey there. Probably tomorrow. Okay po. I'm practicing scooter after the live. Paldo! Si Dada, Paldo! Paldo si Dada. Maka Paldo, have you practiced your scooter, Amy? Yeah. Look, when I practice on another day, having a boo-boo. Because I fell down. But now, until you need to get hurt before you listen. Before you learn. That's why, oh my God, my kuwan is open. Oh my gulay. Venus and Josh, Tita and Shannon were there and he fell asleep while stream is still on. Okay. Venus and Josh, Tita and Shannon were there and he fell asleep while stream still on. Okay. Open again. No. So you are working on balance. Yeah. I need to balance the no. Need to balance. Is it one? I have a Harley. Harley? What do you mean Harley? Very fast. Like riding a bike, only faster. Harley Davidson. The motor. My Pennsylvania man. My Pennsylvanian also having a Harley. Okay, Cheryl, we'll see you later. Thank you, Sir Fred. Harley Davidson, Sir Mark Douglas. You are very beautiful. Thank you, Powell. Thank you, Powell. Oh, nice. So, you know about Harleys. Yeah. The motorbike, the Harley Davidson. Do you have, Sir Mark? No number. Ah, yes. Wow. That's great for you, Sir Mark. Where are you from, Powell? From Poland. Nice to meet you, Sir Powell from Poland. Yes, I do. Moving on. I'm 41 years old, 41. Cheryl, I need to go to sleep. I have some work to do in the morning. I don't want to leave you. But if I don't, I will stay up all night just to be here with thank you, Sir Mark. I'm ended the live soon because I need to practice the scooter. Before practice, I need to coffee, drink coffee. I'm 41 years old, Powell. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. I love 41. We love 41. We love 41. I charge my another phone. What? I will see you again soon. You can call or text or email me anytime you need anything. I like you a lot. Thank you, Sir Mark. How I email you? How I I don't know. My God. You love my. Huh? Oh my God. Put your helmet on. Be safe. Thank you, Sir. Sir Mark. Thank you, Sir Mark. Thank you, Sir Mark. What? I'm looking a Filipino wife. Newfie, I'm not single. You know me. I'm not single. I'm with I have a fiance. Thank you for joining. 47 likes. Thank you so much. My God.
Dato na, kupit pa na mo ah.
Sige lang, wow. Sana yung compute. Sana may nag Sige. Ha? Gisiti ang kilo? Ano pa ba? Ha? Pira? Ano rin? Ito nga nila, na pinisar ko na ng puno, ang bayad sa tutso. Oo. Kababa man. I feel one. Okay, now I remember. Thank you. Thank you, newbie world. You go to Poland. Why should I go to Poland? I already have a boyfriend. I already have a jowa. I have a dandruff. Bye bye. I need to practice the scooter now. Thank you so much for joining. God bless. See you next live. Bye. Bye.